is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. It is your girl Michi69 back at it again.
Grind.
With a new YouTube video. Disclaimer.
I'm a Florida medical marijuana patient. All the products about to review talk about products related to us.
If you don't like it, you can do what now?
Suck a fart at my butthole, yeah.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Michi69.
Bless you.
My dog just sneezed. I upload on Mondays and randomly on other days and make random comedy videos and smoke lots of medical cannabis and review it because I'm a
Medical cannabis patient here in Florida.
So if that's your bag, subscribe assist to my channel assist. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you're old here, welcome back. And if you're a hater,
Pew, pew.
I want everyone to know I did that all in one take.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I have a special treat for you.
Literally.
I have treats.
Edible type of treat.
I'm going to show you guys how to make super duper easy and strong edibles. I will put the recipe in the description box below. Let's talk about it. So I took 500 milligrams of TRUCLEAR, which I was short a little bit, so I had a little bit of reserve relief oil from Satera. These are strawberry crispy rice cereal things, but you could really substitute this with any cereal. Let's try some. Yum. All right, we're gonna need another one. What I did was I took that 500 milligrams of THC and I took a third of a bag of mini marshmallows, 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of butter, and 2 cups of cereal of your choice. If it's a bigger cereal, I suggest putting it in a bag like bigger than Rice Krispies and like beating the brakes off it so it's not such big pieces. Your half a gram of TRUCLEAR. And then ooh. That was gross. Okay, so the way this recipe works out is I also used a bread tin to make bread loaves. You would be able to get 25 milligram pieces out of it. So what I just ate would be like 50. And yeah, that's what you're gonna end up with. They're really dank. Usually edibles don't get me buzzed. I usually make my own by just dosing myself onto the medication. Like dosing the medication on like a marshmallow. But I just was wanting to make them. I don't know, I got crazy. I got a wild hair up my ass. And then I shaved it.
Ew.
But if you want to see how to make those, stay tuned for my crappy video edit of it. Let's do it. All right, so we got our marshmallows, we got a tablespoon of butter, a third of a bag of mini marshmallows, and we are melting that. I took 2 cups of, this is cobblestone strawberries cereal, and I crunched it up. I've got 500 milligrams of TRUCLEAR right here. Well, I was a little short, so I have a little bit of oil from Satera in here. Let's go ahead and add our distillate. There's that. That was 9-pound hammer and some relief oil. Ooh, it smells delicious. I can smell it. Now I've got a little bread tin that's buttered. You could line it with parchment paper, and I put a little bit of vanilla flavoring in here to help with that distillate. Okay, so it's all good. Let's add in our 2 cups of cereal. Oops. And stir it up. Transferred in our pan. I'm gonna press it, and I crunched up the cereal like my boobies are hard and jiggly. I crunched up the cereal so that it would be small pieces, and I'm just patting it down. I should have lined this probably with some wax paper, would have been the better idea, but whatever. You live, you learn. Those are our 9-pound Hammer Relief Oil edibles, and we'll let these cool off and see what they look like. Okay, so my cutting skills are trash. I ended up with 25 pieces, which is roughly like 20 milligrams. Each piece is what we going on here. Let's try one. Yes, ma'am. That's what I ended up with. Yes.
And we're back to the Power Badancing!
It's been like 30 minutes. No, it's been 45 minutes. These were indica. They're good. I give it 2 thumbs up. Oh! I will have to let you guys know, I do have some pre-recorded videos that I will be putting up because I honestly just forgot to put them up and they're hiding. So if you, next 2 weeks, you see some older videos, not necessarily older, they're just from different dispensaries. Also, I just never got to post them. And yeah, this is after the hurricane, by the way, you guys made it through. Woo! Cha-ching! Alive, alive, alive. The only thing that got hurt was my stomach, but man, that could have caused so much. I'm so grateful that fucking hurricane. Jesus.
Woo!
Yeah, these are good. So anyhow, if you made it all the way in, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you are awesome. Yeah, not you. I don't like your shirt. I didn't have to change it. Okay, thank you. Oh, cool, cool, cool. These are they're so easy to make. So if like you don't even know how to cook or you're not a good chef, like they're fucking Rice Krispies, like the same thing as Rice Krispie treats, but I have in the recipe and I tested it out for myself, gave her a good go. So I figured, why not share the news with you guys? There's something in my eye. Something in my eye. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're done here. Bye. Oh, I'm sorry.